welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I get this Colorblock eye look. I'm going to be using two different palettes, the Maddie Ziegler The Imagination palette by Morphe. I absolutely love the way the colors blend out in this palette. One of my favorite looks is with this blue color and also this fuchsia. But today we're going for more of the orange and pink tones. So from this palette I'll be using the shade Crushed, which is right here. And then we're gonna do the pink from my all-time favorite Club Tropicana, which you can definitely tell I use this color a lot right here. But I absolutely love the foiled shades in this palette. And then we'll be using some other stuff for our face as well. So let's just jump right in. Okay, so I already washed my face today. I like to start with a nice moisturizing base, and this is one of my favorite creams. It's the Neutrogena Hydra Boost. This one's the body gel cream, but it also works perfectly on the face, and you also get a lot more product in this bottle than the face cream one, so I use this. And I'm just gonna put some of this on my face to get my skin ready for the hydrating tint and the concealer under my eyes as well. And I use this a few times throughout the day. It just keeps my dry skin at bay. But I just absolutely love how this makes my skin feel all the time. Okay, so we're going to start with the eyes, and to prime my eyes, I'm taking my M2U NYC eye primer. And I just put a little bit of this. A little goes a long way, so you can kind of just brush it so that there's just a little bit of product, and I'm just going to go like that. And I'm just going to blend it out with my finger. This is going to make the shadows I put on really pop and stay on throughout the day. Okay. So, first color I'll be taking is the orange one in this palette. Right here. Crushed? Yeah. Alright, let's see. I'm using my favorite packing brush. It doesn't really have a name, but I got it at Burlington, and it's a really good eyeshadow shading brush. So we're just gonna put this on the outer part of the eyelid, and since we're working with two colors, we just go to the middle of the eyelid. And we're going to make the color block effect like my shirt. I love putting multiple colors on like this. It's just really fun. It's up my alley. I love colors. And then I'm gonna clean my brush in between. This thing is really cool. I always use it. It just helps get the color off. And it actually works really well. I got this at Dollar Tree. It's the Urban Butterfly Pro Beauty Shadow Swap Pan. I'm not sure if they still carry them, but you can probably look them up online and find one as well. And then on the inner parts of the eyelid, we're going into my Club Tropicana palette. And I'm taking my favorite pink shade right there. And we're just going to place this there very neatly. And kind of blend it into the orange nicely. It's very easy, but it's fun. Comes out very nicely. I bought the telescopic lift mascara yesterday, and I really love it. You just have to work with the brush a little bit different. I'll show you when you go to that step, but I actually really like the mascara. I think it works really good and gives a lot to the lashes. You do have to be careful though, because it does put a lot of product on right away. So you kind of just have to see the, I don't know if you can see that. The brush is different. But yeah, I'll show you when we get to the mascara. So now I'm going to be putting my Neutrogena Hydra Boost Hydrating Tint before we go on to the bottom lash line. Today I wanted a really moisturizing product on my skin, and this is one of my favorites. I use it daily. And then I'm just going to blend it out with my favorite concealer brush, the Bogacci's Concealer Perfecting. I really loved the angle material of this brush. It gives a good, when you put it at an angle, it blends out the foundation or concealer really well and makes it really easy to apply. I wanted to try some I found on Temu that had a similar angle, and they're classified as a concealer. So I'm just waiting on those. I'll be testing out real soon. But yeah, this is one of my favorites. I love this brush. I'm also going to put some concealer under my eyes. And I'm taking this NARS one. It's the NARS Concealer Medium in Custard. And this works really well for me. I really love using it to go under my eyes and a little right here. Now, the bottom lash line is really simple. We're just going to use this Wet n Wild On Edge Long Wearing Eye Pencil in the color Shock Therapy. I love putting eyeliner pencils on the lower lash line. So we're just going to start with the under the waterline first. Just how I like to apply it. And then we're also going to go into the waterline very carefully, because I know a lot of you have sensitive eyes and sometimes they can water easily as well when you're putting product on the waterline. So just take it. Okay. So now here comes the Telescopic Lift Mascara by L'Oreal. And like I said, you kind of just have to be careful the way that you put it on. So I'm gonna, the part where the like spikes are, that's where I'm gonna start applying it to the lashes very slowly, because a lot of product comes out and you don't want it to be clumpy. It's very nice though. It gives a lot to the lashes and I really love it. A lot of people like the original telescopic. I haven't tried that one. My favorite that I've been using is the Colossal Curl by Maybelline. I've been sticking with that a lot, or using ones that I've gotten in the Ipsy bag to try. But this one's really nice. The price point in the drugstore is a little expensive. It was close to $15. But it does work really nicely on my lashes. I like it. really like that. Gives a lot to the lashes. The last thing we will be using today is my Liquid Face Beauty Mystery Liquid Blush. I really want to try the P. Louise blush, the liquid one. I might be ordering that this weekend, and I'll try it in one of my next videos. I've been liking to try a lot of different new products out. I don't buy a whole lot of new makeup anymore. I have so many palettes. It's crazy. But I've been really loving how the cheap liquid ones have been feeling, so I might want to try one of the more brand name ones. Yeah, and so this is the Colorblock look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. I've been really wanting to do the latte look. I wore the colors last month. I should have done a video with it, but I didn't. So hopefully, if I get a chance to wear the outfit again, I'll do a video for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. Also, give this video a comment and a like. Bye!